Raise palm for tranquility. Flex your palm, open palm with force. Laogong Acupoint was considered one of the 13 ghost acupoints by ancient Chinese. This action can promote heart peristalsis, calm the mind, and relieve fatigue. Next exercise, cheek pecking heart. Fingers back to back. Middle finger presses Danzhong acupoint with force. This point is very important for heart health. Find the point accurately and press it with force, which has a very good effect on people with heart disease. Next exercise, frog swimming in the sky. Imitate the hand movements of breaststroke, as if a frog is flying freely in the sky. Note that after the hands are open, the body leans back slightly and opens the chest. Smile to yourself and smile to the world. Next exercise, finger 内关 dream is. Press 内关 point firmly with your thumb. This action helps relieve insomnia and can treat angina pectoris, myocarditis, and arrhythmia. It is also an important acupuncture point in TCM. Next exercise, Master Bow. Put your middle finger on the Mingmen acupoint. Your palm on your lower back and bow forward gently. Pay attention to the opening and closing of the spine in the Mingmen acupoint. This action improves the function of the heart by improving kidney function. Next exercise, from the ear to the heart. Press the heart point on the ear with your little finger. This is the functional reflection point of the heart on the ear. Strengthening these points helps regulate cardiovascular and mental diseases. Next exercise, bird song in the morning. Thumbs gently tap Zhongchong Acupoint, like a bird singing in the early morning. Gently tap this point to refresh the senses, clear the mind, and support daily heart vitality. Great job, everyone! By practicing these exercises regularly, you can improve circulation, reduce heart disease risk, and boost overall well-being. Please remember, small daily movements lead to long-term health benefits. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy wellness tips. See you in the next video.